Hello again from Southside Vacuum. It's Michael Wood here with you, and I want to show you the ET1, which is the 12-inch power head, and then of course the ET2 power head is going to be the 15-inch power head. So that's the only difference. Is they are available in 3 different colors. They are available in red, white, and black. But one of the real cool features of these this particular power head is the ability to remove the brush roll. So if you're like us, we have pets. We have like 5 cats and a chihuahua. So the problem is that the pet hair gets wrapped around the brush. And one of the unique designs from SEBO is the ability to remove the brush roll. So by pushing this little lever right here, and then just twist this around, you can pull this off here, end cap. Your brush roll comes out of here, and you can easily remove the pet hair off of here. And there is no exposed belt in here, as you can see, just the spindle right here. The belts on these are guaranteed for the life. I've actually, to kind of give you a little history with the SEBO, I actually have the Modesto Fire Department has the Windsor, which is a commercial version of these machines. I have actually never replaced a belt on their machines. So these power heads and these belt systems are that durable. So to go ahead and put the brush back in, you just slide it back in, lock it in. This just goes just like this, and locks here, and just locks there. So makes cleaning it very simple. There's also a clean out right here, and all the wheels are rubber. So if it goes onto a hardwood floor, any kind of surface, it will not scratch your flooring. And also it has a jam protector here. If you want to turn the power head off, you just push the switch here, turns it off, turns back on. There's a low light here. Now when the power head is like this, locked in upright position, the power head will not turn. You pull back, it turns on. It has a swivel neck, so you can go from right to left easily. It's got a 4-position height adjustment for different surfaces of carpeting or bare floors. And when this power head goes into the locking mechanism, it actually is locked. You cannot break this, and it will not pull on that. So that feature is really good. So if you're looking for a either replacement power head for your central system, or maybe you're looking at it's paired up with the SEBO power heads, power teams, this is an excellent choice for your vacuum cleaning needs. So if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email at michael@southsidevacuum.com, and I will get right back to you. But otherwise, these do ship in about 2 business days if you do need one. And please choose your color, and we'll go from there.